Alright y'all, so today we are going to be using Versetta Stone to add a fun accent wall to the back of this dining room. And as always, safety is our #1 concern, so make sure that you have your gloves, your steel toe boots, your safety glasses, and a long sleeve shirt before starting to install. The first step is going to be to calculate how much material you need for your accent wall. Versetta Stone has an easy material calculator right on their website. After you get that done, you're going to want to start prepping your wall for where the stone panels are going to actually lay. I measured my wall the height of the stone panel and then marked it along that line. Just so I could make sure that I was installing it, it'd be a quick reference to make sure that I'm maintaining that levelness throughout the entire project. Next, use a stud finder to find and mark all of your studs, because this is what the stone panels are going to have to attach to. Now that we're ready to go ahead and start installing the stone siding panels, you're going to start from the bottom corner and then work your way up through the room. You're going to want to use a level to make sure that you are installing your panels nice and even, and then use screws to attach the panels to the studs. Once your first panel is installed, it's time to go ahead and start measuring for your second one. We're going to just start by going right beside the first one that we installed. The stone is made of fiber reinforced concrete, so it's super tough and durable, and you will need to use a diamond blade to cut it. We installed the second panel right next to the first in the same way, attaching the metal tongue into the studs and making sure that both stone panels were level with each other. The Versetta Stone siding installs in a tongue and groove locking mechanism, which means there's no need for mortar, so there's no need for mess, which is my absolute favorite part. Installing the panels one on top of another, you're going to be able to feel the tongue and groove slipping into place, and it's going to feel really secure. Make sure though that you use a level the entire way up, because you never know, these walls can be tricky, y'all. The Versetta stones are actually hand painted, so that makes the siding look like real natural stone with all of the natural colors looking through. Plus, the texture feels really real. Nobody is going to know that this is a faux accent wall. Be sure to offset your stones just like you would if you were installing flooring for that nice natural look. And then just continue on until you get to the top of your wall. Once you get to the top, then you start from the other side back down at the bottom. Once you get to the very top of your wall, there's a couple different things you can do. We went ahead and installed it the same way, using screws attaching the panels to the studs. Then you can either use trim, molding, or one of the caps that Versetta Stone also sells to complete your look at the top. I'm not really sure yet what I want to do, so I went ahead and just painted that very tiny gap with black paint. You cannot even tell from the ground, and then this will give me time to figure out what I really want to do. This stone wall only took us 3 hours to complete, and it looks so natural and real. The texture is amazing. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think that the Versetta dark ash stone color pops against the alabaster paint perfectly and really elevates the room and takes it to a completely different level. Now all I can think is I need more Versetta Stone for another interior project. I don't know, maybe our fireplace, or a backsplash, or maybe another accent wall. The possibilities are endless. I hope y'all love this project as much as I do, and I'll see you next time.